This hand-rolled pasta recipe was recently discovered by me. Also called Libir Libir or Eri, this popular Desi style pasta is from Nepal. It is spicy and flavorful and everybody loves it at my home. You'll be able to make it effortlessly and surprise your folks. You want tried and tested recipes? Then this is the right channel. Do subscribe. Hello and welcome to my kitchen. For the pasta, in a large bowl I have taken 1 cup of whole wheat flour atta. To this I'll add half a cup of plain flour maida, 1/4 cup of soy flour and 1/4 cup of sattu or roasted chickpea flour. Season it with salt. Add in a tablespoon of ghee or vegetable oil. Mix it well. Add water little at a time to make a soft dough. Traditionally, Libir Libir is made only with wheat flour, or you could just make it with plain flour. This is my take on it. Rest the dough for 10 to 15 minutes. Thinly slice bell peppers and capsicum. This is about 1 cup, and a medium sized onion. Again, slice it thinly. Heat a bit of oil and add in the veggies. And just quickly flash fry them for half a minute maybe on high heat. And this is optional, but it does add a nice taste to it. Add in a teaspoon of dark soy sauce and a tiny bit of salt. Mix well and take it out. That's done. Dry roast a teaspoon of white sesame seed. Once that is done, take it out and let it cool completely. Take a plate and just dust it with flour. Keep it ready. Time to make the pasta. This is one of the easiest pasta recipe. Use a bit of flour or oil on your palms and pinch out a little dough. Roll it in the hand. That's one done. Place it on the plate. Shape the dough into these little pasta pieces like so. As soon as you make a few fresh ones, dust them with flour and just toss to coat them. That way they'll not stick to each other. Once they are all done, it's time to cook them. I've put some water on the boil to cook the pasta, and side by side I'll be making the sauce. Start by adding in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once the oil heats up, add in finely chopped onion. This is 1 large onion that I'm using. Add in a bit of salt. Cook this, stirring continuously till it turns light pink in color. Add in a teaspoon of garlic paste. Chop green chilies according to your taste and a teaspoon of ginger paste. Cook briefly till the raw smell goes away. I'll add in a bit of water to lower the temperature. Add in half a teaspoon of haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, half a teaspoon of jeera powder, red chili powder according to your taste. Cook this briefly And usually this sauce is very spicy. I am going to cook it according to my taste. Add in fresh tomato paste. I've used 2 large tomatoes. Mix well. Cook till the oil separates. Season the water with salt. And add in the pasta. So this amount of pasta is for about 4 to 5 servings. Let that boil for about 8 to 10 minutes. The pasta gravy looks really good, and I'll add in 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder and about 1/3 of a cup of water. Bring this to a boil. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up. Send me your feedback when you try it. Add in a bit of Ajinomoto. This is optional, MSG. Mix well. They've all started floating to the top and they are almost cooked. Few more minutes. The pasta is ready. Take it out and put it into the gravy. Toss it up. Look at that. That looks gorgeous. 1/2 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, salt to taste, freshly cracked pepper, toss it up. Add in the bell peppers and onion. Toss again to mix well. And turn off the heat. A squeeze of lemon on top. And some chopped coriander. Sprinkle the sesame seeds and serve it hot. Enjoy!